Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable.
The given question is the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 upon 2. Find the rational number. So guys, let us see how we can answer this question. The question here is telling us the denominator of a rational number, is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17, and the denominator is decreased by 1, numerator is increased by 17. The number obtained is 3 upon 2. Find the rational number. So guys, let us see what we can do now. Now let us assume that the numerator be x. Let the numerator of the rational number rational number be x. So guys, we are assuming because we do not know the numerator of the rational number and the question has asked us to find out the rational number. So let the numerator of the rational number be x. Now as per the question, if the numerator of the rational number is x, then the denominator will be x plus 8, because the question is telling us the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. That means if the numerator of the rational number be x, then denominator will be x plus 8. Just these are the things that we have considered from the question itself. So we have assumed the numerator to be x, and if the numerator is x, the denominator is x plus 8. This is what being given in the question. Now if you look here as a first step, as a first part of the question, what we got? We got x divided by x plus 8, because x is the numerator and x plus 8 is the denominator. So what we got? We got x divided by x plus 8. Now guys, let us find out the second part of the question. The second part of the question is telling us after the first part, which we got x divided by x plus 8. Now second part of the question is telling that if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 upon 2. So question is telling us if the numerator is increased by 17, our initial numerator is x. So if it is increased by 17, that means x plus 17, and the denominator is decreased by 1. So now the question is telling us that the denominator is decreased by 1. That means x plus 8 minus 1. Just the denominator, we are decreasing the denominator by 1. This is what we have done, and is equal to 3 upon 2. Hope guys this part is very clear. How? Because we originally considered x upon x plus 8 to be the rational number. The second part of the question is telling us if the numerator is increased by 17, so we have increased the numerator by 17, and the denominator is decreased by 1, so we have decreased the denominator by 1, and the number obtained is 3 upon 2, that is equal to 3 upon 2, that is equal to 3 by 2. So this is what we got. So this is the equation we got. Now let us solve this equation. So that we can find out the value for x, and once we get the value of x, then easily we can find out the rational number. So we very well know that a rational number is a number which is of the form p upon q. So that means we are going to find out a number which is of the form p upon q. Now let's see here what we got. We got x plus 17 divided by x plus 8 minus 1 is equal to 3 upon 2. Or I can write x plus 17 divided by x plus 7. How? 8 minus 1 is 7 is equal to 3 upon 2. Or I can write x plus 17, let us put a bracket here, divided by x plus 7. Let us also put a bracket here, into x plus 7 is equal to 3 upon 2 into x plus 7. What I am doing here? I am multiplying both sides. I am multiplying both sides by x plus 7. I am multiplying both sides by x plus 7. Hope guys I am very clear till here. And why I am multiplying both sides by x plus 7? I want to eliminate this x plus 7 from the denominator. In order to eliminate this x plus 7 from the denominator, I need to multiply x plus 7 to the left side of the equation. And we very well know that if we are doing something to the left side of the equation, we should also do the same thing to the right side of the equation. So for that reason, I have multiplied x plus 7 to both sides of the equation. Now let us solve it further. Or I can write, what I can write, this x plus 7 and this x plus 7, it cancels out. We are left with x plus 17 is equal to 3 into x plus 7 divided by 2. Or I can write, what I can write, or I can write x plus 17 into 2 is equal to 3 into x plus 7 divided by 2 into 2. What I am doing here? Again I am multiplying both sides by 2. Why I am multiplying both sides by 2? I want to eliminate these 2 from the denominator. In order to eliminate these 2 from the denominator, I need to multiply the right side of the equation by 2. If I am multiplying something to the right side of the equation, I should also do the same thing to the left side of the equation. So for that reason, I have multiplied 2 to both sides of the equation. Now let us solve it further. Or we can write x plus 17 into 2 is equal to these two cancels out, and we are left with 3 into x plus 7. Hope guys I am very clear till here. So what we got? We got x plus 17 into 2. X plus 17 into 2 is equal to 3 into x plus 7. Now let us multiply. Let us multiply 2 to x and 2 to 17. Similarly, 3 to x and 3 into 7. So let us multiply these things and solve this further. Or I can write 2x, 2 into x is 2x plus 17 into 2 is 34 is equal to 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 7 is 21. So what we got here? We got 2x plus 34 is equal to 3x plus 21. Or I can write 2x is equal to 3x plus 21 minus 34. What I am doing here? Just I have moved this 34 from left hand side to the right hand side. That means transposing plus 34 from left hand side to right hand side. Guys, why I am moving 34 from left hand side to right hand side? Actually I want to get all the variables having x to the left side of the equation and all the numbers without any variable to the right side of the equation. And I am doing these things so that it will be very easy for us to make the calculations. So for the solving I can write or 2x minus 3x is equal to 21 minus 34. So what I have done here now, again I have moved this 3x from right side to left side. This is what I told you. I have moved 3x to the left side of this equation. So that means I am again transposing plus 3x from this time from right hand side to left hand side. Hope guys I am very clear till here. Or I can write, what I can write? Or I can write 2x minus 3x is minus x is equal to 21 minus 34 is minus 13. So guys, you could see that we got minus x is equal to minus 13. Now we need to eliminate the negative sign from the x. We should not keep any negative sign with a variable. So how to eliminate? Let us see. Or I can write minus x into minus 1 is equal to minus 13 into minus 1. So what I am doing here? Multiplying minus 1 to both sides. Why I have multiplied minus 1 to both sides? We very well know that minus into minus is plus. And I told you I want to eliminate this negative sign from the x. So in order to eliminate this negative sign from x, I need to multiply this minus x with minus 1. So that I can easily eliminate the negative sign. Now I can solve this equation as x is equal to 13. How? Minus x into minus 1 is plus x, minus 13 into minus 1 is plus 13. So guys, what we got here? We got the value of x as 13. We got the value of x as 13. Now let us look to the first part of the equation or first part of the question. What we considered as the first part of the question, if you remember or if you look to the first part of the question, you will see that what we did here, we assumed let the numerator of the rational number be x, then denominator will be x plus 8. So we have assumed the numerator to be x and the denominator to be x plus 8. That means I can easily replace the values of x. So we got the value for x is 13. So instead of x, I can write 13 divided by 13 plus 8, that is equal to 13 divided by 21. So guys, this is the rational number. So this is the rational number. Hence we can write our concluding answer because the question asked us find the rational number. So we can write our concluding answer saying that the rational number that we got is 13 upon 21. Hence the rational number that we got is 13 plus 21. Hence the rational number that we got is 13 upon 21. And maybe you can show that we initially assumed x divided by x plus 8 to be the rational number. Rn means rational number, in short I am writing here. Hence the rational number that we got, hence the rational number that we got is 13 upon 21. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.